In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account to Gumroad so you can start receiving payments smoothly and securely. First, open the Gumroad website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on Settings. This is where all your key preferences and account options are stored. Inside the settings page, you'll see several sections. Find and click on Payments. This will open the payment setup screen where you can manage how customers pay you. Now, locate the PayPal option and click on it. You will be directed to the PayPal integration page where you can link your PayPal account directly to Gumroad. Here, enter your PayPal email address carefully. Make sure there are no typos since this is where your sales revenue will go. Double check your details before saving to ensure payments reach your PayPal account without issues. And that's it. You're done. You have successfully connected PayPal to Gumroad. From now on, all your transactions can flow seamlessly, giving your customers a trusted payment method while keeping things simple for you. If you ever need to update your payment info, you can always revisit this section anytime. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and happy selling on Gumroad.